We are currently witnessing a critical inflection point in the high-performance adventure touring segment. For too long, manufacturers have forced riders into choosing between raw, uncontrolled power that destabilizes the chassis or highly moderated electronic systems that filter away essential kinetic feedback. The 2026 KTM 1390 Super Adventure S EVO eliminates this outdated dichotomy. It stands as a declaration that the core compromises of the prior generation are no longer acceptable. This motorcycle is an act of deliberate engineering evolution, leveraging the proven LC8 V-twin framework while actively expanding its computational, thermodynamic, and mechanical limitations. The result is a flagship platform that demands rigorous technical evaluation from the instant the throttle opens. The foundation of this analysis is the thoroughly revised 1350cc LC8 V-twin. Although the displacement increase is the obvious change, it is merely a surface detail. The deeper innovations include an updated camshaft system and reprofiled combustion chamber geometry. These modifications are not tweaks, but intentional restructurings of the induction and burn characteristics. Peak performance now reaches an assertive 173 horsepower and 145 newton-meters of torque. Yet the true advancement lies beyond the headline figures. KTM's engineering focus was directed at reshaping the power delivery curve itself. Through revised breathing dynamics and optimized cam phasing, the accessible mid-range torque has increased by 12% from 6,000 to 8,000 RPM. This results in greater high-gear roll-on acceleration, subsequently improving overtaking efficiency and exit drive during aggressive touring scenarios where mid-range robustness is paramount. Sustaining this higher performance output under prolonged stress required total lubrication redesign. The semi-dry sump system delivers more consistent oil pressure during high-speed thermal load conditions, reducing cavitation risk and improving long-term mechanical durability. This engine is engineered to survive extended, continuous high-torque operation without degradation. It is a mechanical system optimized for rigorous operational longevity, not transient peak numbers. However, harnessing this engine's capability is only possible through equal sophistication in chassis dynamics. The defining characteristic of the EVO designation is the latest generation of WP-SAT semi-active technology suspension. The damping system now integrates a denser array of stroke sensors and a recalibrated suspension control unit capable of making damping corrections every 6 milliseconds. During testing, this translated into noticeably reduced dive under abrupt braking and minimized squat under full acceleration. The motorcycle's geometry remains more neutral under dynamic load, directly improving high-speed stability and predictability. The main trellis frame preserves its chromoly steel construction due to its proven balance of rigidity and weight, yet KTM has strategically reduced mass at the subframe. A new hybrid aluminum design removes 3 kilograms high in the chassis, lowering the center of gravity and improving directional agility. These refinements produce a motorcycle that transitions between lean angles with greater precision, despite its class-leading displacement and touring capability. The electronic control suite fully capitalizes on the chassis potential. A hypersensitive 6-axis IMU empowers motorcycle stability control with active prediction. Instead of reacting to a slide already in motion, the system identifies risk factors and intervenes preemptively, maintaining a trajectory consistent with rider intention. The lean-sensitive traction control and ABS operate at a 1-degree precision threshold, ensuring sophisticated real-time adaptation on variable terrain. The adaptive cruise control is significantly improved, particularly in high-density traffic scenarios, where oscillation tendencies in prior models have been almost entirely eradicated. The electronics no longer operate as detached guardians. They are deeply integrated as performance accelerators. The display technology has also advanced. A newly optimized 7-inch TFT automatically adjusts both backlight intensity and color temperature to reduce ocular fatigue during long-distance transitions between lighting environments. This enhances the bike's essential function as a long-range performance instrument. Although aesthetics remain secondary to function, the form follows purpose philosophy is evident. The redesigned tank structure improves knee contact and subtly inclines the rider forward into a more commanding stance. The electronically adjustable windscreen provides a 150mm travel range. Wind tunnel data confirms that at maximum height, helmet-level aerodynamics benefit from approximately 90% pressure nullification for riders around 6 feet tall. This directly reduces fatigue over sustained high-speed travel. The dual-density seat improves pressure distribution by 18%, mitigating discomfort over cumulative hours of riding. The off-road performance profile demonstrates further evidence of systemic engineering integration. With a push of a button, the suspension damping recalibrates instantly to suit loose or technical surfaces. In off-road mode, throttle response softens, and electronic intervention thresholds increase to allow controlled rear-wheel slip and precision handling over uneven terrain. Despite its substantial engine capacity, the motorcycle feels unexpectedly manageable and responsive when navigating low-speed rock-laden surfaces. The sensory input communicates agility rather than heft, reframing expectations for a large displacement adventure platform. KTM Connect expands functionality through predictive maintenance analytics. Rather than relying on mileage alone, the system monitors real operational data, such as peak thermal events and load-based gear shifting patterns to optimize service scheduling. This enhances reliability planning and extends component life. Connectivity improvements also ensure seamless interaction with navigation and media without compromising access to critical riding information. Throughout this evaluation, one theme remains constant. Every component, every parameter, every structural revision exists in pursuit of complete performance harmonization. The LC8 engine delivers relentless output while maintaining durability. The WP-SAT suspension adapts continuously to acceleration forces and terrain irregularities. The IMU and rider aids calculate risk before physics intervene. Aerodynamic and ergonomic refinements reduce rider fatigue, ensuring that increased capability remains accessible and enjoyable throughout extended mileage. This is not incremental improvement. It is a categorical shift in what adventure touring motorcycles can achieve. In conclusion, the 2026 KTM 1390 Super Adventure S EVO is designed to dominate. It offers the highest synthesis of power delivery, chassis intelligence, and electronic precision currently available in the segment. The investment required aligns with its elite specification and tangible performance benefit. For riders who evaluate their machines through quantifiable metrics and demand a tool engineered for absolute authority over distance, speed, and terrain, this motorcycle stands as the definitive answer. The future blueprint for the adventure segment is no longer theoretical, it is operational. The KTM 1390 Super Adventure S EVO is the machine to buy.